Hey everyone, today we're headed back up into the mountains to do some hammock camping, but as you can see, we got a good amount of snow we're going to have to get through first. Let's go. Well, tried to go up a little further and I got stuck. Was able to just back out. So we're gonna call it good here. I think over this little ridge line we're gonna be able to find some trees, but let's go explore. Hopefully I can find some good trees to set up the hammock because this is a pretty spectacular view. Well, I've got a little bit more time. I'm gonna try to get down, see this big rock. Here's this big rock. This would work out really well. Good wind protection. So I think this is where we're gonna set up the hammock. This is only my second time using this hammock system, so we'll see how well it goes. So what I'm hoping to do is use this big tree right here in front of me and this tree back over there and use that to secure the hammock. But I've got some dead trees. This one right here, you can see it's already toppled, and I'm going to take out those two trees. Let's get started. This tree was very dead already. That worked. Sometimes you just got to do the opposite of what you've been doing, and it works. I want to try to save all this stuff that I'm cutting so I can use it for my fire. Just got this bag. It's from Badlands, and the reason I went with the Badlands backpack is because they have lifetime warranties, no questions asked, they replace stuff, and I thought that was pretty amazing. So we get our hammock out, get going. There's the suspension system, and here's the hammock. First strap done. Second strap done. We're gonna have to make some changes. All right, hammock is up. Just got to get my pad and under quilt in here, and sleeping bag out. We'll be good. Get the fire going so we can get dinner cooking. But before, we got to make sure that it's gonna hold. Oh yeah, this is gonna be quite nice. I'm excited. All right, we're set up now. Gotta make a fire. Went and found some rocks, made a little fire ring just to try to contain a little bit. We're gonna start breaking up all these sticks. Alright, fire's going pretty good. So we're gonna move on to dinner. Gonna try to do some curry using this golden curry. Got some meat, potatoes, carrots, onions, and a bag of rice that we're gonna try to boil up and warm. And I'm trying to get it done in this little pot. I don't know how it's gonna go, so we'll figure it out. Well, because we weren't able to get to where I thought we could go, I had to boil some snow. Luckily, that's all going well, so we'll add just a little bit more here. Just kind of guessing on the water, not sure how much to put in, but it says 2 1/4 cup for the whole thing of curry. We'll get this going and see how much curry we add, and maybe add a little more if we need. Alright, so we got this open, broke it up into 4 little pieces. Gonna go ahead and add that into the curry real quick. Rice. Not too bad. Here we go with the curry. Oh goodness, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but that is amazing. Quite excited. That was mighty fine. Update. It has started to snow. Oh yeah. Can't seem to beat the smoke. So I'm just gonna let the fire go. Probably gonna get in bed here soon. So I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. As you might be able to see, it is snowing. We got snow all over my bag. My feet are pretty cold, so I'm gonna get up and get going. Try to take the hammock down, get some food in me, and get camp taken down. My boots are covered in snow, so that'll be fun. Now, in all my infinite wisdom, I brought a thermometer, but I forgot to bring the tarp. I was gonna put that up over the hammock so I didn't get snow on me just in case it did snow. It's about 30 degrees right now, but I did get snow on me, so that's fun. I gotta be a lot better at remembering to bring everything I need. I don't know if you're gonna believe this, but we still have embers. Those are some really good coals to burn all night with the snow. I'm gonna grab one of my fire starters and try to get this fire going again. Well, the snow seems to be picking up a lot more. Got a lot of snow just since I woke up on the hammock. So breakfast, I just got some oatmeal and a can of peaches. I'm gonna start putting all my stuff away, get the hammock taken down, and get breakfast and get out of here because I want to avoid the snow. Again, as long as this fits in my backpack, I'll be happy. It does seem to be snowing more, so I actually might skip breakfast and just go home because I don't want to get stuck out here. Buckle up for safety. Well, this was breakfast. Peaches and cream oatmeal with a can of peaches. Double peaches, baby. We are all ready to go. Got everything taken down. We even got the fire pit gone. Moved all those rocks, put a bunch of snow on it, and it's gonna keep snowing, so the fire's for sure out. Another interesting fun fact, my banana froze. So, alright, let's go. These are good snowflakes coming down. Can't see anything. Pretty cloudy today. I don't know if you can see it, but the side-by-side is out there. Made it back. My main purpose in doing this was to be able to get better at camping in a hammock, because this next year on the hunt that I go on, I want to do a hammock because it just seems to be an easier way to pack what you need to sleep. So I learned some stuff that I need to improve on. Definitely want to make sure I have some sort of tarp or fly to cover myself. It also probably will help keep some of the heat in. And I gotta figure out how to keep my toes warm. My feet were freezing last night, but it was fun. Now it's time to go home. We have made it back to the main road. Just as an update on the tire from our last video that had a flat, it is holding up pretty well. Actually pretty impressed. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to look at our last video too. It was my boys and I went and built this survival shelter and stayed in it overnight. That was a lot of fun. We've also got some other fun adventures coming up, like camping in Dinosaur Land National Park, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.